it's your girl Key. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I got this gold glitter smoky eye eyeshadow look. So getting right into it, I am first taking my P. Louise base in the shade 3, and I'm just going to be concealing underneath my brows. And then I'm going to take another P. Louise base, but this one is going to be in the shade 0, and it's just a white concealer base. And I'm going to apply this onto my lid to help my eyeshadows pop. So now I'm going to be taking my Warriors 2 by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to be taking the darkest shade in there, which is that black, and I'm just going to blend this into my crease in the outer part of my eye. Still in my Warrior 2 palette, I'm now going to take this brick red shadow, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush to actually blend out the edges of the first shadow that I applied on my eye. Now, because this is a smoky eye, I'm going to use sweeping motions to actually make sure that this eyeshadow look is very blended and smoked out. So yeah, y'all, that's what your girl is doing with this shadow. Now I am going back and forth between the black and the red shadow because I do not want to lose pigment by, over blending. So I'm just going back and forth to make sure that, everything looks the way I want it to. Now, if you're an OG to my channel, you guys already know the saying, do not let the shadows get lost in the sauce. But if they do, just go back in and clean it up. So that's pretty much what I was doing, you guys, with the black and the red. Now your girl is dipping into a new palette. I'm dipping into the Warrior 3 palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm taking that yellow shade. Now the yellow is just going to help my eyeshadow look add some dimension, and it's also going to be a nice gradient effect for my smoky eye. So I'm just blending this right above the brick red shade, and as you guys can see, it is getting lost in the sauce just a little bit. But as I was doing before with the black and red going between my brushes, I did the same exact thing to make sure that, everything looked nice and everything was blended together. So now I'm dipping into my P. Louise base in the shade 0. Now I'm not necessarily cutting my crease, you guys. I'm literally just applying eyeshadow base so that my shimmer shadow could have something to, grip and something to hold on to so that it can pop. And that's literally all this eyeshadow base did for me for this look. Okay, so now your girl is moving over to the Warrior by Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking that beautiful, beautiful gold shimmer shadow from that palette, and I'll be popping that onto my lid. Now, I want to just point out, if you guys have not noticed, if y'all didn't peep, for this eyeshadow look, I did use black-owned cosmetics products. And for this eyeshadow look, I used 3 palettes from Juvia's Place. So I was very, very proud of myself because, y'all, I have so many Juvia's Place palettes that I have not even touched, like literally have not even opened. It's so freaking ridiculous. So I'm trying to use these palettes a lot more. I actually have a ton of palettes that, like, I barely use, but your girl needs to, because I keep buying makeup and then not using it. Like, girl, what are you doing? So I'm just giving myself a wing liner, and then I'm going to go over the wing liner with brown eyeshadow because I don't know if you guys were able to tell, but my liner was very, glossy, and I was going for more of, like a matte wing liner. So, I just took some brown shadow and just tapped over that, and that fixed my problem that I was having. Now for my glitter, I'm using glitter from 88 Cosmetics. I'm using their Fall Stacker, and then also I am using some chunky glitter that I ordered from Amazon. And to actually get my glitter to stay on my lid, I'm using Kiss Lash Glue in Clear. Now that my eye makeup is complete, the rest of this video will be your girl finishing off this slay. So that just means I will be doing my foundation and getting my concealer and, you know, getting all that good stuff, the face together. So yes, I hope that you guys stay tuned until the end of this video. If you've been enjoying, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, if you are not part of the crew, remember to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on your post notifications so that you guys can get notified every single time that I post a video. And yes, I will catch you guys towards the end for slow-mos. And yes, definitely stay tuned while I get this face together, honey. Okay?
Can't nobody love you like I do, and can't nobody hate you like me too. Always turning nothing into something I do, when it's always you. But even when I leave, I fall right back into you. Then winter comes right back around. We're always so up and down, down. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. It's cold. We're going through phases. I wish I could stay, but the seasons are changing. I'm gone.
Cold-blooded, flood my whole heart with your loving. Find me